Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is Mudassir Mirchal and I welcome you to this channel again. In this playlist we are going to talk about the cell cycle. So let's see what a cell cycle is. It's a sequence of events by which a cell duplicates its genome and synthesizes other cell contents and eventually divides into two daughter cells. It was described by Howard and Paley in 1953. In much simpler terms, we can say it's the sequence of events from the time of its birth or formation to its division. Duration of one complete cell cycle is termed as generation time, and generation time varies from cell to cell. For instance, a bacterial cell divides every 20 minutes, while as onion root tip cell takes about 20 hours to divide, and a human cell divides once in 24 hours. Now let's talk in brief about the stages or phases of the cell cycle. The cell cycle is divided into two main phases. The one while the cell is not dividing, and this phase is termed as interphase or I phase, or we also call it intermitosis. And then there is a phase when the cell is actually dividing, and this phase of the cell cycle is called as dividing phase or mitotic phase, or now we also call it as M phase. Let's have a brief idea about what interphase is. Earlier it was believed that interphase is just a resting stage of a cell, but now it's pretty much evident that interphase is actually a preparatory phase where a cell prepares for its division. Interphase is further divided into much shorter phases, which are as G1 or gap 1, S or synthesis, and then there is G2 or gap 2 phase. While as M phase or dividing phase is divided into karyokinesis, that is nuclear division, and cytokinesis, that is cytoplasmic division. Karyokinesis is detailed one and is divided into prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase further. This is how we divide the cell cycle of a typical eukaryotic somatic cell into its respective phases. Before we actually start studying the phases one by one, let's have a brief idea of what actually these phases are meant for. The main reason why a cell passes through interphase is that cell needs to duplicate its DNA and other cell contents before it divides, so that each daughter cell gets its proper share. So in G1 phase, cell synthesizes the proteins, particularly enzymes and ATP molecules needed for the DNA replication. And in S phase or synthesis phase, DNA actually replicates, and in gap 2 or G2 phase, cell prepares for the division and synthesizes the proteins like tubulin protein and other proteins required for the division, and also synthesizes some ATPs. So this was an introduction of cell cycle, and in our next video we will discuss about the phases one by one in detail. Till then, stay blessed. Assalamu alaikum.